we've explored the fascinating and controversial question of the existence of God, Jesus, and the story of religion. Today, let's take a step back, way back, to the beginning of everything. The origins of the universe, the very space in which this cosmic debate unfolds, have puzzled humanity for millennia. The question of how it all started is not just a matter of scientific inquiry but of philosophical, theological, and even existential exploration. The creation of the universe, the Big Bang, is a cornerstone of modern science, but it is far from the only perspective. The truth is, the story of our origins is multifaceted, layered with a complex tapestry of myth, religion, science, and speculation. Let's start with the most widely accepted scientific explanation. At the dawn of time, around 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began in what we call the Big Bang, a cataclysmic explosion of space, time, and energy. It all started from an infinitesimally small, dense singularity, a point where the known laws of physics break down. From this tiny, seemingly insignificant speck, the entire universe expanded rapidly, cooling and forming the atoms, stars, and galaxies we see today. The universe continues to expand, governed by the fundamental laws of physics, laws that we are still uncovering. But this scientific understanding, while revolutionary, doesn't answer everything. It leaves gaps that have led humanity to explore other possibilities. For thousands of years, religions have provided their own explanations for the origins of the universe. In Christianity, Judaism, and Islam, it is believed that God created the heavens and the earth, an act of divine will. This creation is not a random accident but a purposeful design, an expression of a higher power's intent. According to the Bible, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth, and from that divine word, everything came into existence. In this view, the universe is not merely a product of physical forces but a work of creation, a world imbued with meaning, purpose, and divine order. This raises important questions. What is the nature of the Creator? Is the universe still under divine influence, or is it a self-sustaining system? From ancient civilizations, we also inherit rich and powerful myths about the origins of the universe. The Greeks, for instance, spoke of chaos, the primordial void that existed before anything was born. From this chaos, the first gods emerged: Gaia, Earth, Uranus, Sky, and others, who gave rise to the first beings that shaped the world in their image. Similarly, Hinduism offers a cyclical view of creation, destruction, and rebirth, where the universe is eternally created and destroyed by the divine trinity of Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the preserver, and Shiva, the destroyer. In these stories, the cosmos is not just a product of natural forces but a battleground of gods, titans, and divine struggles. The universe is shaped by intention, emotion, and conflict, forces beyond human comprehension, yet deeply connected to the order and chaos we see in the world today. In the modern scientific world, another theory emerges from the cutting-edge realms of quantum mechanics and string theory. Some physicists speculate that the Big Bang might not have been the first. Instead, it could have been just one of many explosions in an infinite multiverse, a collection of parallel universes where the laws of physics might differ from our own. This view is not only a fascinating extension of the Big Bang theory but also a mind-bending possibility. What if the universe we know is just one bubble in an eternal ocean of universes, each with its own distinct laws, forces, and realities? The idea of the multiverse challenges our very notions of existence and forces us to ask, is our universe special, or are we just one random outcome in an infinite sea of possibilities? Yet, some ideas propose that the universe isn't a one-time event. Instead, it might be part of an eternal cycle. The concept of eternal return suggests that the universe goes through infinite cycles of birth, death, and rebirth. Every time the universe reaches its maximum size, it will collapse in on itself in a big crunch, only to explode again in a new Big Bang. In this view, time is not linear, it's cyclical. Our universe is just one cycle in an ongoing process that has existed for eternity. This perspective challenges our notion of a fixed beginning and an end, asking us to consider a cosmos that is constantly in flux, eternally recreating itself in an unending loop. Philosophers, too, have explored the origin of the universe, and often question whether there was ever a true beginning at all. Some, like the ancient Greek philosopher Heraclitus, argued that the universe is in a constant state of flux, nothing ever truly begins or ends, but is always becoming. This view suggests that the universe is not a static event but a dynamic process, ever-changing, forever evolving. Is the concept of a beginning just a human construct, a way for us to make sense of the universe's complexity? What if the universe exists beyond our understanding of time and space, eternal, infinite, and outside the boundaries we impose upon it? Finally, many spiritual traditions see the universe not just as a physical phenomenon but as an expression of divine consciousness. The Native American concept of the earth as a living being, or the Hindu belief in the universe as an eternal and divine dance, suggests that the cosmos is imbued with spiritual significance. In these worldviews, creation is not a mechanical process but a living, breathing manifestation of a higher, unseen force. The universe, in these traditions, is sacred, an ongoing manifestation of the divine will or the cosmic energy that binds all life together. Whether you see this divine energy as God, the force of nature, or universal consciousness, the universe is far more than just a collection of stars and planets. It is a living, interconnected whole, a reflection of the divine. From science to religion, from ancient myths to modern quantum physics, the question of the universe's origins weaves together countless stories, theories, and speculations. Each of these perspectives brings a different layer of meaning and understanding. The Big Bang, the divine hand of creation, the cosmic battles of gods, the infinite cycles of existence, and the spiritual energy that underlies everything, together, they form a rich tapestry of human inquiry. And at the center of it all lies the most profound question: why does the universe exist, and what is our place in it? Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the origins of the universe. If you're enjoying this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think? How did the universe begin? Let's keep this conversation going and continue to explore the mysteries of existence together.